Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Flash Transfers brought to you by Straight Outta Content. Today I'm going to be doing, episode 4 of Basic Business. BASIC is an acronym that I created and it stands for Business, Automotive, Sports, Investing, and Creating. And those are subjects that we cover here on the channel. In today's episode, I'm going to be telling you guys the difference between Flash Custom Transfers, TKO Transfer, and specifically our gang sheets. So in the last video, if you guys haven't seen it, I went over the difference in size and how using our 22 by 24 inch gang sheets allows you a lot more room and a lot more area for profits in your business versus an 11.7 by 16.5 transfer. So make sure you guys go check out that video if you haven't, with Supercolor, the Flash Custom Transfers, DTF, large, real gang sheet versus a Supercolor gang sheet. Remember, they released theirs March 1st. So let's go ahead, let's get into this video. I'm gonna jump into the computer and I'm gonna show you guys some numbers and just be transparent. That's it, that's all that this video is. This video is not intended to diss any other company or bring down any other company. These videos are just intended for the person who's starting out there and only has a few $100s to invest. Where should you put your money so that you can maximize and get as much profit on the back end so that you can reinvest into your business? Remember, we've been there. We had our store, we have our big business now, we have a warehouse, we have manufacturing, right? We've been there. So all we're doing is just giving this information to you as owners of these companies and as the fastest growing content creation channel as far as DTF out there. As far as when it comes to DTF, Flash Custom Transfers is the biggest on YouTube and we're gonna continue to grow. So let's go ahead, let's get into this video. Okay guys, so this right here, before we even get into the prices and stuff like that, I'm gonna show you guys this difference between our size gang sheet and a TKO size gang sheet. So whenever we're gonna come here to AI, I'm just gonna pull it up. This is actually our size gang sheet, 22 by 24. So we're gonna create one of those just so we have some transparency, right? So we got a gang sheet. This is our size gang sheet, and then we're gonna go to we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna create their gang sheets are 11.5, very similar to Supercolor, by 18 inch. Boom. Everything else is the same. Again, we're not using all this other stuff. We just wanna make sure this, boom. So as you can see, the two different sizes, ours is almost double. Well, basically, yeah, it's definitely double across. 11 plus 11 is 22, double across and longer. So basically double this sheet, right? So like I showed in the last video, if you want to purchase a gang sheet, we can head on over to, look, this right here. March 1st is when Supercolor came out with the gang sheet, way after us. Flash Custom Transfers. We're just going to show you the difference between our gang sheet price and their gang sheet price. And don't forget, right now we have 99 bucks. Spend over 99 bucks, use code free ship. It's free, but if you click, if you just click right here, it's automatically going to be free shipping to buy 10 or buy 5. But I just want to show you the difference. So if you purchase just one of our sheets, it's only $19.99. Again, that size sheet is going to be this big. You're going to be able to fit a lot of images on that gang sheet and there's no minimums. So you're only in it, if you have it shipped to your door, about $34.62 shipped to your door. If you live here in the Houston area, it's only going to cost you 21 bucks because you're only going to spend $19.99 plus taxes, and you can go right over here to a local UPS and pick up your transfer. Unfortunately, with a company like TKO Transfers, which again, I pause this video and make sure that you remember me saying this. If TKO Transfers, if Stalls Transfers, if Heat Transfer Warehouse, I don't know, if Supercolor, if these companies work for your bottom end, use them, don't use us. There's zero reason to switch if they've been working for your bottom end. Now, if you do the math and we can provide the same quality, better product, DTF is a better product because you don't have to have options like this. It's already water-based. There's no backer and there's no plastisol and it already switches. So you don't have to choose whenever you go to DTF. It's already built like this. There is no backer, right? There's no backer. It's already water-based and it already stretches. So there's zero reason to have to choose and be like, oh man. And even with their transfers, there's a price difference for all three, when instead with our transfers, you get all three of those options that you just seen from TKO Transfers, and it's not plastisol, there's no backer, and it already stretches, and it's water-based. So again, but if you already use their business, guys, just continue to use it. This is not a diss video. This video is not made to down any company. This video is just for transparency, just to show you guys, hey, listen, there are other options out there. If you have $100, $200, and you're looking like, dang, where do I spend my money, right? You still have to buy blank apparel. Where do I spend my money, right? Anything that you do on these transfers, you got to put it somewhere unless you're selling the transfers for a profit. And even if you sell our transfers for a profit, with the size of our gang sheets, you're going to make way more because you're able to fit way more, and you can start small. That's the best thing about business. And I said it in the last video. When it comes to business, you want to keep as much liquidity in your pocket as possible. You don't want to have a big overhead. And unfortunately, with these other companies that do screen print transfers, the way that their system is set up, they have large overhead because they have super large machines and super large staff, and their product is only able to be made in a very small quantity. So therefore, in order to make a profit, they have to charge the customer. Therefore, that's why their position and the way that they market their job is to make money off of the customer. Whereas us here at Flash Custom Transfers, our job is to make the customer money. We want the customer to not only purchase our product and use it for their items, great, but we set up our business to create a price point so that you can then go and sell the transfer or sell the shirt and make money on the back end so that you can just continue to reinvest in your business. So when it comes to their gang sheets, I went to this one, but we can go here as well. But again, this is a plastic saw. It says soft, but I assume it doesn't stretch. And it's not water-based. And a lot of people really care about that. I know I'm somebody who cares about that because plastic saw is really a chemical. It's really an adhesive, but it's a chemical that's being phased out of the industry. That's why everybody's going to water-based and stuff like that. But if you notice, if you purchase their gang sheet, which again, you have to purchase a minimum of 6, and you have to get the same image. With our gang sheets, however many you purchase, you can have different images. And by different images, I mean, if you get a buy 5, get 1 free, remember it's 99 bucks, this right here is free shipping. If you get a buy 5, get 1 free, each gang sheet that you have can be different. That is not the same with the competition. If I come in here and I add, let's say I want to add, what are we going to add? Let's see. I like to see some cool images. Oh, let me see some cool, what cool images have we been working with lately? So if I come in here and I want to add, okay, dancing clown, right? I want to add this dancing clown to this gang sheet, to a TKO transfer gang sheet, right? Boom. Now this needs to definitely be cropped because this is not a vector. We're just going to go ahead and crop this buddy right here. Apply it. This way it's a little, this way it's as close to its dimensions as possible. Oh, come on. I do want to drop this because we want to get as close. We want the measurements to be as close as possible, guys. Right? So this right here says 7. I'm really max. Most of the images that we do on the front of a shirt are 10 inches wide. I'm going to leave it locked and let it do its own thing. So really one of these 10-inch images of this clown, you can only fit on one gang sheet from TKO Transfers. Now again, from there, you're limited to either plastisol, water-based, or one with a backer, and you're forced to buy 6 of the same. You can't have one gang sheet like this, then another one with a separate image. You cannot do that. With us, we put this on our gang sheet, put this over here. We can have this gang sheet, say you buy 5, get 1 free, for 99 bucks, free shipping. I can have a sheet full of these clowns as my first sheet, and then I can have another sheet full of whatever other image. Let's go ahead and do that. So we're gonna create oh, I didn't mean to click that. We're gonna have another sheet, and we are going to create a whole nother sheet. So I have 24 of our gang sheet. We're gonna bring in what other images? So we got clowns, so we're getting into Halloween. Let's go get some cool Halloween scary images. Let's see, we got the clown. Let's get Jason. Oh, I like Jason. Bring in Jason, right? We're gonna bring Jason over here, bring Jason to this one. Okay, we'll bring Jason to this new sheet. So with our sheets, you could have your first sheet, a gang sheet full of Jason, your second sheet, a gang sheet full of Pennywise, your third sheet, a gang sheet full of Flash Custom Transfers logos. I mean, the possibilities are endless. With the competition, TKO Transfers, you're forced to order 6. They can be gang sheets, all right? I can copy this, make this guy a lot smaller, and then stick him over here, and they will print it. That's considered a gang sheet, but I have to have 6 of these. I have to have 6 of these for the at their lowest price, it's $111.18. Our lowest price, it's $19.99. And even if you did get 5 sheets, right? So 5 sheets is still cheaper. It's still 99 bucks. Free shipping. So only thing you're gonna pay on that is taxes. And you're gonna get 6 total sheets. 6 total 22 by 24 inch sheets, and all 6 can be different. Guys, I mean, I don't know what else to say. I don't know what else to say when it comes to flash custom transfers and the product that we offer and the possibilities that we allow. Everybody else has limitations. We don't have a ceiling. When it comes to our product, we make sure that we provide the biggest amount of options possible, the biggest amount of options possible for your brand, for your business. Remember, it is just, we have a team at the warehouse, and then Shelly and I are the face of the entire team, right? And the team does amazing. But the retail side, this side that you guys see, right? The side that we actually record and show you, it's just Shelly and I. I'm in my living room right now. We made this behind us. You can see the piece right there that we still haven't glued up. I got a kitchen behind me. I haven't eaten all day, except for breakfast tacos I had this morning from Whataburger. Like, we are regular people. I even got pants on. Look, I still got shorts on, you guys. You know what I mean? So I'm just showing them, babe, how, you know what I mean? Like, the transparency of us and how, you know, when you're purchasing from us, you're purchasing from real people who have actually done this. And now we do it at a large scale, but we still stay small so that we can communicate to the people. That's what matters. That's what matters. So that's the difference between a gang sheet from TKO transfers. Again, you have to have whatever you're looking at on the screen right now. Whatever you put on their transfers, you have to have 6 of them. You cannot have one like this and then your third transfer is of another gang sheet of a bunch of different images. But with us, you can. And we're gonna help you with your images. So if you're like, hey, listen, all I have is images, right? If you're like, listen, I don't know how to create my gang sheet, all I have is images, send them over to us, email them. We're gonna make sure that everything is set up right before you pay a dime. Now, if you know what you're doing, go ahead, go to the website, flashtransfers.com, and go ahead and purchase your item. But if you don't know what you're doing, you're kind of new, right? You have $112 to your name to invest into your business. You can email us first and say, listen, I've got these images. I want to try this DTF product. I need to see what these heat transfers are. Great. Shipped to your door, it's only going to cost you $34.62 if you want to try with us. If you want to try with anybody else, it's going to cost you a minimum. Mind you, it's plastisol and it's soft, which means it doesn't stretch. And you pull it, it's not going to do this. It's going to break. $111. That's what it's going to cost you. And you have to get 6 of the same. With us, you can have a different gang sheet. And then even with Supercolor, it's going to cost you $120.80. And again, you have to get 10 of the same. You have to get 10 of the same. With us, it's either going to cost you $19.99, right? $34.62 shipped to your door, or if you want to buy 5, get 1 free. So you're going to get 6 total big brolic 22 by 24 inch sheets to your door, filled up with everything that you want, all different types of images for $100. $100 plus tax, because shipping is free. That's going to be it for this video, guys. Remember, basic business, automotive, sports, investing, and creating. Please share this video. Go on right now, hit the share button down below and share it. Share it on your YouTube, share it on your Instagram, on your TikTok, on your Facebook. Guys, share this video. Be like, yo, this dude here, he's crazy. He's shaking up the industry. That's what I'm doing. I'm going against the grain. I know my grain is ill with these waves, but I'm going against the grain, which you are supposed to do. And I'm just showing you guys, hey, I was a small person out there looking for an option. And it seems like everybody out there is trying to take my money. Everybody out there is trying to maximize. And we are the exact opposite. We're the exact opposite. We are doing this to help you. So even if you don't use our product, lesson learned number 1, use whatever product works best for your business, even if it's not ours. If you can find a DTF person in your area, say you Google DTF and you're in, you know, Idaho, Montana, or wherever you are, and you find somebody who's doing DTF and they have these size transfers, contact them, right? We just want to just give you guys the knowledge so that you can maximize your business. We appreciate all your views, all your comments, everything. We look at everything. We appreciate everything. Thank you for all your sales. Go purchase right now. Heck yeah, I'm telling you to purchase at the end of this video. Yes, please go purchase right now. We appreciate it. Don't forget, we also got merch and stuff like that on the website. But also, if you're in whatever area you're in, whatever's best for your business, purchase from that place, because that's what matters. You heard this information from Straight Outta Content. Carl here. It's giving you another business episode, guys. Stay tuned for more episodes. I don't know what subject I'm gonna do next, but I'm just gonna continue to push out these basic business. Maybe let me know in the comments down below if I should make some basic business t-shirts, because business is basic. You know, the billionaires and stuff like that, these guys, they keep it basic. All right, guys, peace.